I mean, look at this table. It looks like it experienced 2020 20 times. Today we're making my kind of mimosa, which calls for peach juice, ginger ale, and sparkling wine. I personally like the Andre Spumante because it's cheap. There are no measurements today. You're just pretty much gonna eyeball it and pour as you see fit. Hold on, let's add a little bit more. Okay, just a little bit more. Next, you're gonna throw in your peach juice and ginger ale. And I like to add frozen peaches and strawberries, you know, just to make it look good and keep it cold. And you might be thinking, girl, that's not a mimosa. Well, it is to me, so we're gonna call this a THEMOSA.
Thembi, 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 oh. Thembi, 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 oh. Thembi, Thembi, oh. Thembi, Thembi, oh.
Okay, you guys, so this is what my patio is looking right now. It is the ghetto. Like, it is such a mess. When we initially got it, you know, we tried to make it look cute. We got a little like rug at the time, and the table used to be nicer, I promise. We even got some lights, but now it's just all worn out. There are boxes out here now. So yeah, that's pretty much what it looked like before, but now we're gonna fix it up, make it look nice, make it look cute, make it do what it do. So here we go. I started off by decluttering, clearing the balcony, and removing all the furniture, or should I say junk. I mean, look at this table. It looks like it experienced 2020 20 times. I removed the rug, and this is actually an outdoor rug, so you know, it did what it needed to do. It served its purpose, but now it's time to go. I'm just trying to figure out how that party cup even got there. Like, after getting everything out, I swept all the gunk and dust away, and this is the cleanest I could get it without having to spray everything down with a hose pipe. I got these faux grass tile decks from IKEA for $30 a pack, and then I also got some wooden ones which were $25 a pack, and I got a total of 5 packs combined. I played around with how I wanted to arrange them before actually installing them. These are pretty easy to install. There's literally no extra work needed. You kind of just have to clip them together on these little black pieces. I did go back to step on them, you know, just to ensure it's all locked in, and boom, it's a new floor. As you can see, I didn't have enough tile to fill up the entire space, and we're fine and frugal over here, so what we're not gonna do is buy more tile. Nope, we're gonna fill it up with these marble stones I got from Home Depot for only $6. Yes! I used about 3 packs of these to fill the empty space, and voila! After the floor was done, it was time to accessorize. I got the cutest little grill from Walmart for only $19. You guys, it makes up to 16 burgers at once. Talk about bang for your buck. It's so cute. I put our carts on the other corner, and regular outdoor planters or carts usually cost anywhere from $30 and up. So this is actually a bathroom cart, which I also got from Walmart for only $12. It comes with 4 shelves, but I removed one of them and dressed it up with some plants and tools. And this is where I'm going to put the charcoal for the grill, but my dad didn't pick up his phone in time when I was trying to call and find out what I needed exactly, so I was just standing in the store like... I decided to keep these chairs and just added pillows for some razzle dazzle. I've had these for about 3 years. I didn't buy them, so I have no idea where they're from or how much they cost, but I love that they can fold up. They're easy to move around if need be, they recline, and they've got some cup holders for my drinks. I got some string lights from Amazon, and I got a steal because they came in a pack of 2 for the price of 1. And each set was 25 feet long for a total of $30. To hang the lights, I got this outdoor mounting tape because if you're like me, don't nobody got time to be drilling into walls. This is what it looks like with the tape, and it's only noticeable if you're all up in its business, but once you mind your own, you can barely see it, and it was only $5. The string lights are so long that I literally only used 1 box as opposed to the 2 it came in. Now that it's all said and done, here's what the finished product looks like. I love how it came out and I'm so excited. I keep going outside just to go outside. Everything was super easy to do, and the best part about it is that it was very budget and renter friendly. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more Thembi tips and videos like this, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And please let me know what else you'd love to see from me in the comments below. Cheers until next time!